Okay, welcome back to our big breaking on the Mumbai police, which claims to have unearthed a big scam in how ratings are rigged, and in which they've said that Republic TV has been named as one of the main culprits in terms of rigging ratings. Let's just go straight across to Parambir Singh, who's Commissioner Mumbai Police, who had that press conference where he announced these findings. Thank you very much indeed, Parambir Singh, for joining us. Now, as we've been saying at NDTV, we're in a sense vindicated. This is something we've been saying all along, that ratings are corrupt and they're rigged. But there is a level of discomfort when the police investigates channels, because then channels can turn around to say this is all politically motivated, etc. And you must have seen Parambir Singh, that's what Arnab is saying. He's saying that these charges are baseless, the police has no evidence, and this is coming from a political bias because of the kind of coverage he's been doing of you and of the government in Maharashtra. So let me just start off by asking you how you would respond to that.
So the complaint has been lodged not by us.
Okay.
The complaint has been lodged by Hansa, which is the agency which works for BARC, which is an independent agency. The trends, unnatural trends and suspicious trends were not noticed by us, but it was noted by BARC and by Hansa.
Okay.
They noticed suspicious activity and some suspicious trends in TRPs of certain channels.
So
they
Hansa
also
registered
identified
the
one or two of their ex-employees. They also identified one or two ex-employees of theirs,
yes,
who had taken away the confidential data of barometer installation. It is confidential data about the households where the meters are installed. The channels are not supposed to know that. But these people shared those that data with some of the channels. Monies were being paid to these people to manipulate the households, their TRPs, their viewership pattern.
okay,
So the channels which were identified by BARC were firstly two small channels called Fakht Marathi and Box Cinema, and third channel which was identified for suspicious trending.
So Parambir
was
Singh,
Republic.
okay, you're
It
saying
is not done by us.
Okay, that's what I'm trying to understand. You're saying that the complaint was filed by Hansa. They are the ones who filed the complaint before
That's
you.
right. That's right. That's right.
Okay, and just to understand,
So
yes, I can hear you.
We are not trying to take the So we are not trying to take the role of the regulators or monitors for the media.
Right.
Because a criminal offense of criminal breach of trust and cheating has been registered with us by an independent agency.
Okay.
They gave us certain data, they gave us certain names. We called those witnesses, those households where these TRP is being manipulated. Those households, the members of those households gave us a statement that they were paid monies to watch certain channels. Even when they were not at home, the channel should be left on.
Okay.
Some of these households were not even English speaking. So they were asked to switch on English channels throughout the day. So this is not coming from us also. So an agency has lodged a criminal complaint with us, which is being investigated by our crime branch, which is a very professional agency, and a very professional investigation is being done. Some evidence has already come with us. We are collecting more evidence. More people are being summoned.
Okay.
2 arrests of ex-employees of Hansa has already been made. 2 small channels operators, the owners of small channels, have been arrested already. 4 arrests so far.
Okay.
And we will arrest or summon people from other channels also, as per their role in the entire racket.
So one thing I'm trying to understand, Parambir Singh, that who exactly is it that actually named Republic TV as having paid the bribes? Was it the households themselves, or was it these ex-Hansa employees, or who?
So the name, the suspicious trend, suspicious pattern was conveyed to us by BARC. Then the names of those households where suspicious activity was noticed was also shared by BARC and by Hansa.
Okay.
And when we called those households, then they also said, yes, they were paid monies to watch certain channels to increase the TRPs. And as you would know, TRPs directly translate into advertising revenues.
Okay.
So any revenues which were earned by manipulating the TRPs by committing an offense would be proceed of the crime, and they are liable to be proceeded against, and we will definitely proceed against them as per law.
So in terms of the actual evidence, because that's the key thing here, you've made a very serious allegation. What would you say is the core of the evidence that you have against Republic and these other channels?
The investigation will go on for a few months, definitely 2 to 3 months. Where law gives us 3 months to investigate such a case.
Yes.
The investigation has only started 3-4 days ago.
But
so far, we have got evidence from BARC about suspicious patterns. We have arrested, we have not arrested, we have called 3 witnesses who were paid money to watch a particular channel. They have given their statements.
Okay.
Other evidence is being collected, and we will investigate professionally. Investigation is the process of collecting evidence.
Right.
And as and when we have sufficient evidence, we shall prosecute those who are accused of the charge.
And you said in your press conference that you're going not just after junior employees, but you're also going after promoters and directors and so on. So does that mean that, does that include someone like Arnab Goswami as well?
So what I said was that we will identify those who are either beneficiaries or who are involved in this racket of this manipulation. We will be issuing summons, examining the roles of various people, and those who are involved will proceed against them, however high or low they may be.
And what is the exact criminality here, Mr. Singh, if you could tell us? What is the criminality? What is the specific charges or the sections of the law that apply in a case like this?
So the specific charges which are levied in the FIR lodged by Hansa are 409, which is criminal breach of trust, and cheating, 420 of IPC. Both are non-bailable sections, punishable with 10 years of imprisonment.
Okay, criminal breach of trust, cheating. But are you saying, sir, because BARC has also issued a statement saying that we regularly do our audits and we are cooperating with the police, but is it your understanding that BARC, Hansa, they were aware that this rigging was going on and they brought it to you, or you uncovered it? How did? Yeah, if you could clarify that.
So the complaint has come to us from Hansa. So, I mean, saying that they were aware, the moment they became aware of some practice, they lodged a complaint with us and they have cooperated with our investigation.
Okay. So Hansa was aware, and that's why they lodged the complaint.
Last question, please. Last question, please.
Last question. Last question to you. I just want to come back to where we started, that, you know, because Arnab has been very public in his attacks on the Sena, NCP, Congress coalition government in Mumbai. He's attacked the Mumbai police, gone after you as well about the whole Sushant Singh Rajput case. So that's the question that is coming again and again, that all that you're doing, is it a reaction to that, or is this a genuine attempt to clean up this whole rigged ratings business?
So I have no grand design behind it to cleanse up the system. A complaint of a criminal act has been received from us,
right,
by our crime branch, on which an offence has been registered, and it is being investigated professionally by our crime branch. We will do a professional job. We will collect evidence, and against those against whom we find sufficient evidence, we will proceed against them.
This is not vendetta.
So as I said, we don't proceed against anyone with vendetta.
Okay.
We have maintained earlier also, in fact 2-3 days ago, I came out and said that certain sections of social media, where more than 1 lakh fake social media accounts and bots were created to run down Mumbai police, to spoil our image, to malign our name, and certain sections media were also playing that role. We are not into that business.
Okay.
We do a professional investigation. Our investigation in Sushant Singh Rajput case was also a very professional investigation, which was upheld by the Honorable Supreme Court also.
Okay.
And the findings of our report, findings of our Cooper hospital doctors and the forensic experts has also been corroborated by the AIMS panel of the doctors and the forensic experts.
Okay.
So ours has been a professional job, whether Sushant Singh Rajput investigation was concerned, or where the present investigation is concerned.
Okay.
We are not into vendetta business at all.
All right. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you very much.
Singh, thank you so much for talking to NDTV. Thanks very much.